PBZ, you need to calm it down.
Southern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Pleasant, or 8 miles south of Greensburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Greensburg,
Shut up, Bearcat.
Mount Pleasant, Scottsdale, Youngwood, Lawson Heights, New Stanton, Ligonier, Seven Springs, Calumet Norvell, Madison, Arona. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 52 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 70 and 99. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.